How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Microsoft Authenticator application on your new device and make sure that you are signed in to the account that you want to receive code in, and if not, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and further add the account that you have on your old phone by tapping on the personal account option here. You can scan a QR code to sign in or enter the login credentials manually. Once signed in, you should be able to see the codes, and if the code is still not available, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, restart the app and your device. Simply force quit Microsoft Authenticator along with all the apps running in the background and further restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues in your iPhone. So this is how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.